Welcome to Vidya Mirat. This video is made for class 6 on chapter number 1, Knowing Our Numbers, and today we are going to begin with exercise 1.1. Question number 1. Fill in the blanks. 1 lakh is equal to dash 10,000. Now first of all we should know how many zeros are there in lakh. So 1 lakh consists of 5 zeros. So we need to know what will come in the blank, and there should be 1, 10 and 1000. 4 zeros are there. So what is remaining? 1 zero. That means the blank will come 10. 10,000 is the answer. Next, 1 million is equal to 100,000. So how many zeros 1 million has? 1 million has 6 zeros. 100,000 means 100 will have 2 zeros, thousands will have 3 zeros, total 5 zeros. What is remaining from 6 and 5? 10. So answer will be 10, 100,000. Next, 1 crore is equal to dash 10 lakhs. Now 1 crore consists of 7 zeros. Lakh has 5 zeros. 10 has 1 zero. So right hand side already 6 zeros are there. So what is remaining? 1 zero, that is 10. So again the answer is 10 lakhs. Next, 1 crore is equal to dash million. Now crore has 7 zeros and million has 6 zeros. What is the gap between the two? 10. Again the answer is 10 million. 1 million is equal to dash lakh. We know 1 million consists of 6 zeros and lakh has 5 zero. What is the gap between the two? 10. So the answer will be 10 lakh. Place commas correctly and write the numerals. Now we know that in Indian system when we have to write, we will start from the left hand side and we will put comma after 3 digits, and then after every 2 digits the comma will be there. Now let's begin with it. 73,75,307. So I made a place value table over here. It starts with 73 lakhs. That means from the 10 lakh, then lakh, then 10,000, 1,000, 100, 10 0. You know how to write this already. So we will just put the digits accordingly, and we will find that under the tens place I have written 0 with underline. That means there is no digit over there. At the end it is 307. So how to write 307? 3 will come at the 100 place, 7 will come at the ones place. In between nothing is there, so I will put 0. So what is my answer? 7375307. And I have to put commas correctly. That means I will start from my left hand side, count 3 digits, 703. Put comma, count 2 digits, 5, 7. Again put comma and count 2 digits. Like this it comes 73,75,307. Next, 9 crores 5,41. So whenever you have a confusion, always make this place value table chart and put the numbers wherever they are telling. So they are saying 9 crores, put 9 under crores. 5 lakhs, put 5 under lakhs. 41, that means it will come in the last. 41 means it is tens and ones place. In between the missing places you will just put zeros and fill them. So what is my answer? 9, 05, 00, 01. So the rule remains same in the Indian system, that first you are going to put the comma at the first 3 places, count them, then after every 2 digits comma will be there. Next, 7 crores 52 lakhs 21,302. 7 crores, put 7 under crores. 52 lakhs, that means 10 lakh and lakhs. 5 will come under 10 lakhs and 2 will come under lakhs. 21,000. So 2 will come under 10,000 and 1,000 we will write 1. 302. 3 will come under 100 and 2 will come under ones. So there is nothing in the tens place, we will put 0. So what is my answer? 7, 52, 21, 302. D part, 58,423,000 202. Now this is the case of international system where we put commas after every 3 digits. That means when we have the words like million, billion, trillion, there is an international system, we use this type of language and we will put commas after every 3 digit. We will start from the right and move towards the left. So after every 3 digit put comma. And how to write it? You will have the situations as 10 million, million, 100,000, 10,000, 1,000 and 100 tens ones. So you should know this place value, how it is written, and we will arrange the numbers accordingly. So 58 million means 5 will come under 10 million and 8 will come under million. 423,000. Now 423,000, it will come in the middle, under 4 will come under 100,000, 2 will come under 10,000 and 3 will come under 1,000. Then 202. So 2 will come under 100 and again 2 will come under ones. So in between 0 is there under tens, which is the missing digit. We will put 0 to complete it. So what is my answer? How am I going to write this? 58, 423, 202. Next, 23 lakh 30,010. Now how to write this? This is again related to lakhs, Indian system. So 10 lakh we will write 2 and 3 will come under lakhs. 30,000. 30,000 means under 10,000 3 will come, under 1,000 0 will come, and 10. So last 10 will come under tens and ones. That means there is no digit under hundreds place. So to fill that we will put 0. So we, according to the Indian system, what is my answer now? 23, 30, 010. Next, insert commas suitably and write the names according to the Indian system of numeration. So Indian system means we will use the words like crores, lakhs, thousand, hundreds, and we put commas after 3 to 2 digits. Okay, so first we will arrange and put commas according to the number. It becomes 8, 75, 95, 762. So how are we going to write them in the form of words according to the Indian system? It becomes 8 crores 75 lakhs 95,762. Next, 8546283. So we will first put commas according to Indian system. We will start from the right and move towards the left. When we do that, we get answer as 85, 46, 283. So what is my answer? 85 lakhs 46,283. Next, 99900046. So let's put comma. It comes 9, 99, 00, 046. Now see children, you should know the places which has lakhs, like lakhs have 5 places, your crores have 7 places. Accordingly you can write down the answer. So it is 9 crores 99 lakhs 46. Okay, in between 000 is there, we don't write zeros, we will simply write 46. I hope you know how to write down in words. Next, 98432701. Let's put comma. We get 9, 84, 32, 701. So if you see after 9 there are 7 places, so it is 9 crores. 84 after there are 5 places, so 84 lakhs 32,701. Next, insert commas suitably and write the names according to the international system of numeration. So what is international system? We use the words millions, billions. Okay, in billion we have 9 places, in million we have 6, in thousand we have 3. So accordingly we will put commas also. In the international system, the commas are after every 3 places or 3 digits from right to left. So 78921092 is a number. So after putting comma we get 78, 921, 092. Now let us write down in words. It becomes 78 million Why I put million? Because after 78 there are 6 places, 6 digits, so it will come million. 921,092. 7452283. Now after putting comma, it comes 7, 452, 283. Now after 7, 6 places are there, so I will write 7 million. Then 452,283. Next, 99985102. So let's put comma, we get 99, 985, 102. So it becomes 99,985,102. Next, 48049831. After commas we get 48, 049, 831. So your answer is 48,049,831. That's all for this exercise, children. There is already the concept video made on this. You must go through that for the clear understanding of the numeration system, whether how to write in Indian system and how to write in international system. If still you have any doubt in any of the part, you can mention in the comment section, or you can also email me. Thank you, children, so much for watching the video till the end. Very soon I am going to come with the next exercise. Till then, see you, children. Goodbye. Take care.